everyone, welcome to my channel Mrs. Homemaker. This is Reena here. Thanks for tuning in. Today's episode is specially dedicated to all my friends who've been asking me what do I do to take care of my matured skin. Well, there are many things that I do and follow, but it's just not possible for me to incorporate everything in one video. So what I've done is I've picked up one of my favorite rituals in this episode and I'll share with you. And I'm telling you, if you follow this process, not only will it give you a flawless, clear, even toned skin, but especially helpful to you because it does not have any side effects and work for all skin types. Do watch the video till the end to know the process and do follow and let me know how it worked for you.
Preferably take a glass bowl because glass bowls are non-reactive to whatever ingredients that we use. Take half a teaspoon of kasturi manjal. It's also known as wild turmeric. It's very good to balance sebum and thus unclogs the skin, making it blackhead and acne free and leaving no yellow stain unlike the normal turmeric. Take 5 to 6 teaspoons of gram flour. It's an excellent cleansing agent and the zinc in it fights the skin infection. It also helps control the excess sebum and soothes inflamed skin. A weekly ritual of having bath with this mixture that I'm going to show you today will ensure that you have a flawless, even toned skin and you will thank me for it. It's definitely a time-tested formula and is 100% safe for skin. Now I'm going to mix them well. And now I'm going to add some homemade curd. This is sour curd. I'm going to add 2 to 3 teaspoons of it. The presence of essential amino acids in curd helps in nourishing the skin and also it helps to keep the skin hydrated. It tightens your skin and helps you recover from the clogged pores issue. Sour curd also has antibacterial properties which are great if you have acne prone skin. I am now also using few teaspoons of raw milk to make a smooth paste. The lactic acid, vitamin A, D, E, K and protein present in milk makes it a mild exfoliating and hydrating agent. It's a very good toner for dry skin and it helps clear dark spots, heals tanning and acne over time. All thanks to the lactic acid present in it. Method to apply is wet your body and apply this paste all over your body into a thin layer and start rubbing it well on your skin and gently rub it. Don't rub it too harshly, just rub it gently and until the complete paste semi-dries. This will exfoliate all the dead cell and clean up your skin well. Now that it is semi-dried, I am now going to wash it with plain water, plain lukewarm water or cold water as per your convenience. I'm now going to wash it with lukewarm water and get rid of this paste completely and you will be amazed to see the result how clean your skin looks. Now that I'm done, I'm going to wipe it softly with towel. Now that I'm done, can you see how clean and even toned this is as comparison to the other hand? This is the best part of this paste. Not only is it safe, but it is result oriented. The difference between the washed and non-washed area is completely visible to eyes. This is how magical this paste is. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.